prove the identity. And this example says working from both sides. Now
what's with these clues? They're not going to get clues on a test. I mean, shouldn't we, big boy pants and stuff and just dive in?
But we're teaching.
All right.
So
just say it like that, like the children. Teach me.
Okay. So we want to basically start with one side, and we're going to see where that takes us. And basically this is a concept of if you get stuck at one point when you're working with one side, you can try to work from the other direction, and that will help you finish your proof.
Yeah, this is not a divide both sides by cotangent u, see what factors out, work away.
Yeah,
this
is not an equation. This
work
is an
left
identity.
side, work right side.
Separately.
Separately and not at the same time.
So here, I would say there's a staggering identity for cotangent squared. That cotangent squared would equal cosecant squared minus 1.
Yes.
So let's do that because on the bottom we have
cosecant
a cosecant. And the only way to get those to be the same is to use the cotangent squared. I'm going to just rewrite this other direction just to make it a little bit prettier.
And there was no harm done in the rewriting of said equation because everything's
addition.
positive. Yes.
Yeah. So this we can factor into the difference of two squares.
Look at that. Shut the front door. That +1's going to go away.
Did I leave the front door open?
I don't know, but that guy just came barging right in. Look at that. Cosecant u +1. It's gone. It's done skis.
So cancel. So we have at the moment cosecant u minus 1. Now, it's a bit of a challenge to get from there to what's on that side.
I think let's pause the left side now. I think you're right. Yeah, working from both sides. Let's head over to the right side of the equation and see what we can't simplify down over there.
All right. Okay, we're on the right side of the equation.
Okay, now I'm just going to toss out that I would suggest here to convert everything to sine cosine.
Let's do it. Cotangent is
cosine over sine. And the reason I say that is because if I multiply cotangent times secant, I get cotangent secant, which doesn't help me a lot.
It's not particularly helpful.
And cotangent tangent becomes 1, so that doesn't do much.
Right. Okay.
But this way, though,
we actually have a common denominator here to start off with, so we can leave the outside alone for now. Get our common denominator here. That's 1 minus, well, we have it already. So just combine these like so. Now, because we're multiplying two fractions together, the cosine u's cancel.
Look at that.
Which gives us 1 minus sine u.
Over sine u.
Over sine u. Now, there's a trick.
Oh, I know. Okay. Can I say?
Go for it.
Oh, check it out. If the numerator has an addition or subtraction sign and the denominator is just one item, then you can rewrite that guy as the first part over the denominator plus or minus the second part over the denominator.
Depending on, and you pick
depending
the sign
on whichever the sign you have, yes.
We're basically breaking up this fraction because there's only one thing in the denominator. We're allowed to do that.
The sinu.
Yeah, so 1 over sine u is how we get the cosecant.
Looky there. We had to work from both sides.
Minus 1.
Independently and not at the same time.
Yes. Okay, so are we done?
Minecraft smiley face.
Okay.
Now we're done. Oh boy. Okay. Now we've got 3-dimensional Minecraft smiley face. Amazing.